There are three different way of defining the, like packet filtering and application level gateway and your TCP three-way handshake. Okay. So if you see the packet in the packet filtering tab, you see it is only work at layer 3 to layer 4, right? It does not go above that. So if you see that it's only working on the layer 3 and layer 4 port and based on the ACLs, and you need to define the ACL on both based on the routing engine at inbound and outbound, right? So if any packet going to the source or the destination, it need to be goes to your router, and you need to define the ACL both on this side. And if it means it is stateless, no connection table is maintained on the router, right? So everything that you need to be apply, you need to apply it on the both directions. Okay. That is packet filtering. When you talk about the application level gateway, okay, application level gateway is like you are working from layer 3 to layer 7. Okay. But their major function is not layer 3 or layer 7, or you can say the routing. It has many functions like take about the knowledge of the different applications and how they work, and based on their application view, they provide a security so that the application works fine, right? So it is like application level protocols or application level understanding of the devices. So if I can say, let's say F5. F5 is one of the application level gateway because it understands the things and it can protect the things based on the protocols that we are working on, right?
Right. Which means, Praveen, can you call application gateways as a content switching as well?
Yes. Content switching in the sense like it is like when you go for the differentiation between the like F5 and there is other web application firewalls, right? So there's small difference, like sometimes it is like content switching. There's just content switching is mostly on the HTTP and HTTPS part, right? Does not consider the payload of FTP and all stuff, right? But if you need to go for like if you say content switching, it is mostly on the HTTP and HTTPS protocol. Okay. When you say the application layer firewall, it is like it go for like XML protocol, SOC level, SOC Web 2.0 type of things, and they analyze the protocol patterns and then see, okay, that traffic is legitimate or not, right? So when you say F5 is providing both type of things. You can say that application level firewalls and the application content switching things, but they need different modules within an F5 big IP, right? So F5 says like if I'm doing only load balancing, I'm only using LTM. If I'm using application policy, or you can say the policy based or like application level security, then we need a different modules, like that is called ASM and IPM, right? So it is like, so when you are combining anything, like if you combining router and the application gateway in the same device, it will not function as it is, because like if you go, every company having their own certificate or major strength. Like Cisco, if you go for it, it has strength like routing and switching. It does not have any strength for the application level things, right? So because they do not, you can say that every product they need to be installed or being on the market, they need a proper understanding, and they need a dedication on their invention, right? So F5 is like, you can say that F5 providing application layer gateway and all stuff, and there is multiple vendor like Blue Coat is also one of the application layer gateway, okay, providing the features for the Blue Coat also. So when you say application layer gateway, it means you are doing the inspection and then doing any traffic change in the traffic behavior based on the application level knowledge. So we says level 2 to level 7, it is working as a application layer gateways. When you talk about the stateful inspection, it is like we are doing it is nothing related to packet filtering and application gateway. If I say if a checkpoint or any firewall that comes with basic features, they are providing both type of things like packet filtering and application layer gateway. But what is stateful? Whatever the connection that they are allowing the connection from the firewall, they maintain the state connection so that the reply packet should only be see the connection table, does not go for the any ACL's inspection again. Okay.
Right.
So when you say stateful inspection, any packet that come from here and it is suppose this is my firewall, okay, it make a connection table entry near their table and then send the packet to destination. And if any packet that is replying, it only check for the connection table, does not go for the rule base again. So it simply reply the allow the packet because that information is in on their connection table, and that is called your stateful inspection, because they have some engine that is called inspection engine. Okay, and the inspection engine is maintaining that particular connection table, and that connection table is having all the information like source IP, source port, if any translated IP has been translated, it can have source port, or you can say the destination port. So all the information that is related for any packet has been defined in the connection table. So the reply packets, when it comes to, it does not go for the any other ACL checks. It only check the connection table and then pass on to the packet to the source or the destination. Okay. When you say okay, then why we are having, if I say why we are having the multiple or you can say that different product for different things, like we say that like packet filter is having a router, right? Stateful inspection is when we talk about, we say about firewalls, and when we say application, we talk about firewall. Why don't we integrate all this in one box? Right.
Yes.
If I
yes.
any product that being introduced by any company, they have some strength, right? And the strength is like based on either they have the firewall feature strength, or they have the application feature strength, or they have the packet filtering strength. But for the functionality of for the functionality of anything in the enterprise level, you need to define basic functionality also. So when you talk about the firewall, they integrated the feature of packet filtering because they need to go for the layer 2 to layer 3 interaction also. They also integrate some of the features for the application layer gateway so that they can inspect some of the protocol, but not all.
Right.
Okay, integrated into the firewall, right? But when you say like integrating, when you say firewall, the major concept is only the connection table information, right? And they brought that information like packet filtering features, application gateway features, but you cannot say okay, I implemented the firewall and that also worked as application layer gateways also. Because their major functionality is doing the firewall, not doing the application layer gateway. But yes, for any application like user-based authentication and all stuff, they need some kind of application layer gateway daemons that should be running on the firewall so that they can see how the protocols works, and based on the protocol working, they analyze the traffic, and then based on that analyzing the traffic, they sense and try to modify or anything that need to be done for working over that particular things, right?
Right, got it.
So when you say about a firewall, anything like whether it could be F5 and whether it could be firewall or anything, when we're working with the application layer gateway, by default, when we say this is my client and this is my server, so I'm not placing any router or any device in between. So any communication between the client and server will be like any negotiation between the client and the server, right? When you take the client and the server, if we are placing any device here, let's say firewall or any F5 device, it means you need to terminate that connection here. Then only it can analyze, right? Otherwise, it will not analyze that traffic. So when we are looking for any application layer of stuff, it means we need to terminate that connection on that particular device, whether it could be F5, whether it could be Bluecode, whether it could be checkpoint. So when you're talking about application things, it means we need to terminate that connection on our firewall or device so that they can inspect, and based on the inspection, they can allow whether that is legitimate traffic or whether that is not legitimate traffic. So if he says in case of application layers things, we need to any device that is working with, I'm not talking about the checkpoint, I'm just taking an example. Any application layer device, they need to make two type of connection. One is from the client to F5 or any device, and another is from F5 to the server device. So that, because if they are initiating any traffic and terminating their connection here, it means client sees this is my server. So anything that I'm getting is getting from this. So let's say this is my HTTP server and I want to do an inspection on my HTTP traffic. If the client is making a direct connection to the server, then this device is simply relaying the information to the web server. They do not intercept and do not modify anything, right? If anything need to be modified or anything we need to change the behavior, we need to terminate that connection. In that case, any device that is working in middle of the client and the server, they make a TCP handshake between these seven. So the client see this is my server, and the server see okay, this is my client. So any connection that is required, they have some time here by the device to modify and to scan the things while sending the request to the web servers. right? So when application layer gateway means it is like terminating the connection itself and then make new connection to the servers. Okay, so that it can get some time to analyze that traffic and then proceed for the actions, right?
Yeah, got it.
Got it. So this is all about the difference between like application packet filtering, application layer gateway, stateful, and that your application layer, how the application layer works.